we're playing Demolition Derby again. Just look at all the tracks that are in this one part. Don't pick any of the in the city. Just pick like Tunnel Blast through Pine Tree Sprint. Either one. I'll give you time to look. We're gonna do the inner mile, or let's do the Lazy 8. This one seems fun. And we're gonna try to win like always. Another game. Or another ad, I guess. I can just do that. That's kind of stupid. If you guys want to see me play that game, just leave a like and comment whatever the name of the game was. Okay, I've got nitro in this car, so trying to cut corners. Oh, okay, crashing. Whenever you see a big boom, comment boom. Shoot, no, they're all gonna pass me now. I need to use my nitro. I'm not that good at this game. Hope I can catch up. That might deserve a boom. But don't comment until I hit another car, because... Oh, we're cutting off course. Good thing they're in first, because I have no idea where to go. Oh, they're taking the grass, so maybe I just take it as short as I can. Oh no, that was a close one. I'm almost caught up. Going way faster than the other car. I think this is more fun too. Trying to catch up. I'm gonna try to boom people. Boom! That deserves a big boom. Okay, how do I flip? Go, go, go. Oh, was that the person I wrecked? Okay, now we're gonna try to win this. There's 5 laps, so shouldn't be too hard. Or this far behind, yeah, it would be, but it'll buff. I think I might play this game more. Wait, I think all we do is go around this one and that other one, so I'm just gonna cut the corner as much as I can. Oh, that guy just got spun out. I'm gonna make this guy pay. Oh, no. That guy flipped. Like me. I'm having so much fun. You guys should download this game. It's Demolition Derby 2. It's gonna be fun. We're catching up. I'm gonna boom the blue car. Oh.
Luke.
I'm about to boom. Oh no. Oh, red just flipped. And, oh, that's actually huge for me. Oh, and that he just wrecked. I'm in second. No, I might flip too. No, I dodged it. This is so much fun. A long video though. It's fine. Oh no. If I mess that up, he might win. Using my nitro, and no, he won. Oh wait, there's one more lap. Shoot, celebrated too early. Well, I'm gonna drive him straight into the wall. Watch. Oh no, what happened to him? What's wrong? Shoot, lost control on my phone. I'm locked in. I'm gonna hit a jump. I'm gonna do some balance. I'm gonna go around this. Let's try to get the fastest lap. Can I fit in between there? Wait, did I just get past? Bro, I just got past and I suck. Seems like I forfeit the race. Guess I lost. That sucks.